ever dreamed of living like the rich and famous? Well, buckle up because we are about to take you on a wild ride through the world of luxury that's now within reach. Here are the top 5 things only rich people can afford, but you can actually rent. First up, imagine soaring through the clouds in your very own private jet. No more cramped economy seats or long security lines. For just a day, you can experience the ultimate in air travel luxury. Picture yourself stretching out in plush leather seats, sipping champagne, and arriving at your destination feeling like a total VIP. Next, let's hit the road in style. Ever wanted to cruise down the street in a sleek Lamborghini or a classic Rolls-Royce? Now you can. Luxury car rentals let you live out your supercar fantasies without the hefty price tag. Feel the power of that engine and watch heads turn as you roll up to your destination like a true baller. But wait, there's more. Ladies, have you ever lusted after that designer bag you saw in a magazine? Well, now you can strut your stuff with the latest Chanel, Gucci, or Louis Vuitton arm candy. Thanks to rental apps, you can rock a different designer bag every week without breaking the bank. Talk about upping your fashion game. Now, let's step into the future with some mind-blowing smart home gadgets. Imagine controlling your entire house with just your voice or a tap on your phone. From automated curtains to AI-powered security systems, you can turn your humble abode into a high-tech paradise, even if it's just for a short while. Last but not least, prepare your taste buds for an unforgettable culinary journey. Michelin-star dining experiences are no longer reserved for the elite. Many top-rated restaurants now offer special tasting menus or chef-as-table experiences that you can book for a fraction of the usual cost. Indulge in exquisite flavors and impeccable service that will make you feel like royalty. So there you have it, folks. 5 incredible luxury experiences that are now within your reach. Who says you can't live like a millionaire, even if it's just for a day? Go ahead, treat yourself, and get ready to make some unforgettable memories. After all, life's too short not to indulge in a little luxury now and then.